What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a drum lesson. I know I haven't done a lot of these. That's because I have done multiple and they're all on my drum course. And that's the first link down in the description box below. I also have a lot more that's on my Patreon. That's where all of my drum lessons are. And also I'm going to be moving all of them on memberships. So if you sign up for the drum lesson membership, you'll have access to those as well. But I want to break down some different things that I like doing, and yeah, here's one of them. I'm gonna play it first. What's crazy is you can, if you heard and you were counting, you can use that into a 7/8 groove. And that is pretty much this. You want to do a kick with the hi-hat, followed by a left. Then it's another kick, right, left. So kick, right, left, and then another right, then a left. So it's pretty much kick. I'm doing it even slower. That's it. And you do it over and over again. You also move your right hand around the kit. All right, so that's the first one. Let me do it again. First one. All right, so the next one is, this one is another one that's, so this one is another one that's gonna be crazy on the left hand. All right, so let me do it first. So that is a kick, right, left, on the hi-hat with the kick drum. So kick, right, left. Right, left is the next part. So this is kind of similar to the lick that Tim Newton did on Gospel Chops. I'm just doing it from the hi-hat to snare on my left hand and stand on the floor tom. And you can add a kick at the beginning too. mix it up. So that, let me do that in a beat. You can also do it as like a sub lick, and that's pretty much you're doing a lick in the middle of a solo, if that makes sense. So here's that.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
So yeah, I had to add the first drum lick that I broke down in there too. So you can mix it up with just those two, and this is what that sound like.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
I'm gonna mess around with these two without the metronome and see what I can come up with just these two. All right. All right, you guys. So that's it. That's just two different licks I like to do. If you guys want me to do more of these like this, make sure to please hit that like button. If we can get 1,000 likes, I will drop another one. But in the meantime, if you're interested in learning stuff like this, it's a ton of stuff that I've already broken down. Make sure to check my drum course out. It's the first link. It's the second link. That's going to be in the description. First link is my email list, so make sure to sign up for that. And yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm out of here.